I welcome you all back to my channel with another interesting topic. Even as we start answering this question, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if it is your first time viewing this channel. So we are having this interesting question which is saying, find the diffractive index in the diagram below. We want to find the diffractive index in the diagram below. This is the diagram which is given. How can you find the diffractive index? This is how we get to find the diffractive index. You need to know the formula. Which formula do we use? N is equal to sine I over sine R. That is the formula that we use each time we want to find the diffractive index, where I here is the angle of incidence and the R there is the angle of refraction. So those are two important things that you need to know and understand. The I here is the angle of incidence, the R there is the angle of refraction. So what do we do? N is equal to sine I. I is the angle of incidence. Where is the angle of incidence located? How do we locate the angle of incidence? This is what we do. The angle of incidence is between the normal ray and the angle of the incident ray. This is called the incident ray. This is called the normal ray. So the angle of incidence is between the incident ray and the normal ray is here. And what do we have? 50. So we say sine 50 over sine. Sine angle of what? Refraction. Where is the angle of refraction located? The angle of refraction is located between the angle of between the refracted ray, between the refracted, this is what we call a refracted ray, and the normal ray. This is what we are calling the normal. This is the normal what? The normal ray. So it's between the refracted ray and the normal ray. It is between this. Have you seen? So it is here. This is the angle that we want to find. How can we find this angle? Here, this is making a 90 degrees angle there. There is a 90 degrees. So you've got a 65 this side. Then you want to find this one. You know that a right angle adds up to 90 degrees. So what are you going to do? You say 90 minus 65. 90 minus 65, what do you get? You get 25 degrees. Meaning here you've got what? 25 degrees. You've got a 25 degrees. So that's the angle of refraction that we are going to put there. 25 degrees. So that's what we need to do. Then you proceed and say this is now equal to what? So we proceed and continue from here, where I'm going to say now the N is equal to what? You proceed. So what is sine 50? You punch on your calculator. What is sine 50? So if you punch sine 50 on your calculator, you need to get this answer 0.76604. You need to get that answer over what is sine 25? Sine 25, you need to get 0.4226. These are the answers you need to find. The same way I'm answering, this is the same way you also need to answer. Don't try to put in other things. By the end of the day, you discover that that's the reason why we get to make mistakes. So make sure you follow the same way I'm answering this. This is the same way you need to answer. Then therefore you say your answer is equal to. So when you divide here, what answer are you getting? You're getting 1.81268. This is the answer you are getting. You can round it off to 2 decimal places or 1. So if you round it off to 2 decimal places, it will be like this. This is the answer. This is a refractive index, no units. So some people will try to put units, then that is not refractive index. Refractive index has no units. Don't include units on the refractive index. This is the procedures that you need to do. So if you are interested in starting tuitions with me, online tuitions, we offer tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. For the GCEs, the internal candidates, which are the high school students, secondary students, grade 10 to 12, you can contact me on my number. This is my number, 0971 066747. This is my number. You can contact me on this. I'll be able to help you with these subjects. So you can text me on WhatsApp using this number. Text me on WhatsApp using this number. I'll be able to help you. I'll be able to guide you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share with others. Thank you so much.